Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix controller is not working on Modern Warfare 3. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to turn on, plug it or unplug it controller and look if the problem persists or not. Also, with controllers and the game, sometimes if you're using some sort of other third-party control peripherals like, I know, foot pedals, racing wheels, something similar to that, please turn off, just unplug them all and just leave with the controller, mouse and key to look if the problem persists or not. But still, if the problem persists, then just go on Steam, go on settings, on the top left settings, then here go to controller here, and then look if your controller is basically recognized by Steam. Just move some things here, and after that you just need to scroll down and look for your controller support. If you're using PlayStation, you need to select enabled here. If you're using other, for example Xbox, just disable everything here and select Xbox, so probably you get the point. And after that, what you need to do here, also idle gamepad shutdown timeout, make sure it's on never, because on default it will be 15 minutes, so basically it will turn, your controller will turn off, so make sure to always use that never, right? And then what you need to do here next, on Call of Duty, right click on it, properties, then go to controller here and make sure to disable Steam input and look if the problem persists or not. But now controller should work.